So someone asked me to make a tutorial on how I create my sound effects. I just started doing this and I'm not professional in any sense. You can tell from the environment that I'm recording in. It's just my room, and also the equipment. It's just an iPhone. But I would love to share with everyone on how I figure out what I use to create the sound that I want. So walking sound. Walking sounds are very important and common in animations and movies and stuff like that. So I want to create this sound of walking on gravel road. So I got some fake leaves. They're gonna work as pebbles and whatever you're gonna find on a gravel road. And this is our surface of walking. We're gonna place it on top of the pebbles. This metal water bottle here is gonna work as our feet, or foot. I think feet, yeah. So you're just gonna press it on top of the notebook in this motion to create a walking sound. And then I have my laptop in front of me with my animation, so I can just watch the animation as I create the sound with my hands. And this is what it's gonna look like.